Hello students, I hope you all are safe at home. Today we are going to start with a GK book, that is Discovery of Class 9th. Lesson 24, Indian Islands. Let us start with the introduction. As you think of islands of India, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands are the first names that pop into your head. However, there are several gorgeous islands like Majuli, Dawar that are a part of India. The islands are covered with tropical rainforest, thus having a variety of animals and birds. So, an island is a piece of subcontinental land that is surrounded by water. Islands are smaller than continents. The largest island in the world is Greenland, unless Australia is believed to be an island. Very small islands, such as emergent land features, can be called islets, skerries, or keys. There are two main types of islands in the sea. So, students, name some Indian islands. Indian islands are Barren Island, Ross Island, Viper Island, Havelock Island, Karchal Island. Now let me explain one by one all these Indian islands. Barren Island. Barren Island is situated at the Andaman Sea and it is the only confirmed active volcano in India. It has a big crater of the volcano rising abruptly from the sea. This holds a major importance in keeping the continental climate stable and the annual temperature variation. Next is Ross Island. Ross Island was a convict settlement that was established in 1858 in the remote Andaman Islands by the British colonial government in India. It was once the headquarters of the British in the Andamans. They developed it into a beautiful colony. The island still has old buildings of the British period. Primarily to jail a large number of prisoners from the Indian Rebellion of 1857, also known as the Indian Mutiny. Next is Viper Island. Viper Island was the location of old jail used by the British to keep political prisoners and harbor convicts. Viper Island is an island of the Andaman Islands. It belongs to the South Andaman district of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It had the first jail, which was later abandoned after the construction of the cellular jail. It has gallows atop a hill log where prisoners were hanged. Sher Ali, who killed Lord Mayo, the Viceroy of India in 1872, was also hanged here. Next is Havelock Island. Havelock Island is one of the few islands that are inhabited of Radhanagar beach. On this island has been voted as the best beach of Asia. It is a fun magnet that attracts anybody paying a visit to the Andaman Islands. Havelock Island, officially Swaraj Island, is one of the largest islands to the east of Great Andaman within the Andaman Islands. It belongs to the South Andaman Administrative District, part of the Indian Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Next is Karchal Island. Karchal Island received the first sunrise of the millennium. It was previously known as Tihannu. Karchal was one of the worst affected islands. During the December 26, 2004 tsunami, the tsunami devastated the island, disturbing the social-economic setup of its inhabitants. 5,000 people missing in the Andaman Nicobar Islands in 1549 were believed to be from Karchal. Now children, I am going to ask some cross questions from you. Name two islands of India. Which island received the first sunrise of the millennium? Name the beach on the Havelock Island. Which island has old buildings of the British period? Which island has the only active volcano in India? I hope you all are understood this lesson and are able to answer all these questions. Now children, read the chapter and solve the exercises. Thank you.